Hi, my name is Jess and I recently started my own cafe called Feast. Well, I knew I had to get my business online, but I didn't have the time or the skills to create a website myself. What I wanted is something done professionally that I could keep easily updated. It's Easy was actually recommended by a friend, so after checking out their online reviews, I decided to give them a call. I got a visit from my local It's Easy consultant. He listened to how and what I wanted my website to say about my business, and a few weeks later he came with that brilliantly designed website. He showed me an overview of how I could edit the website myself, and the possibility of changing the opening times, the menus, add pictures onto the gallery. It is important for me to change the website whenever I need to, without having to wait for somebody else to do it. So the beauty of editing my website whenever I need to is those edits are shown in real time, so I know exactly how my website will look like once I save the changes. So all those changes allows my website to be found easily on Google. If I need any support from my consultant, it's just a phone call away, so it's so easy and hassle-free.